What's up, you guys? We are headed to Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg, Tennessee today to go see Dollywood Pumpkin LumiNights
and Mysterious Manion's Halloween event.
It's gonna be a spooky good time, so come hang out with us, alright, guys? Onward and upward.
I think it's with the super gold.
Ah, he got the super gold one. I got just the regular annual pass.
Just follow it down and then you take a left down to the booth here.
So he gets discounts. Oh, choo choo. Oh man, do you think we can get on the train? We have not yet gotten on the train yet. We're Pumpkin LumiNights. Look at these shirts! Oh, they're silicone. These are pretty.
Those are cool.
Oh. Does it have anything on the back?
It's like happy fall.
Here, hold. Dollywood.
It's right at the beginning here. It smells amazing. 316 pounds.
Big old mammer jammer.
1,053 pounds. That's huge. I got more
These over here.
Yeah.
Oh my god, these over here are bigger.
That's cool. 626 pounds. This one over here looks like one of the bigger ones, the biggest. It's cracking on the side, it's so big. 1,507 pounds.
Andy Wolf. He did a good job, my dude.
From New York.
Wow, look at this one.
Damn.
I see a smirk. Oh, that's the tutu. That's the tutu. That's the tutu. Oh my god, this Buzz Lightyear. one day we'll get to get on it. What are you doing? What are you doing? Him's painting. He's relaxing.
Look, that's a cannibal. He's eating pumpkin pie.
Oh my freaking god. Here we go. That's freaking awesome.
We just rode Blazing Fury. It's always a blazing good time. And now it's a little bit darker out.
Yeah, look at the lights.
Yeah.
Twinkly lights.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so spooky, you guys.
Oh wow.
Okay, I can hear it.
Not that long ago, especially a girl was drawn to the hint of voices on the wind, and led by the butterflies that fluttered just out of reach, she found herself under the canopy of the tree, surrounded by the music of the grove. Now they say those who are pure of heart can hear it too. Can you?
he getting down.
These are pumpkins Stevie can relate to.
All right, you guys. That was
it.
Dollywood Great Pumpkin LumiNights 2020. That's fun. Oh my gosh, so pretty. What'd you think, dude?
That was beautiful.
That was beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna make the way back to the car. Make our way back to the car.
Mysterious Mansion time.
Time for Mysterious. Headed to Mysterious Manion. Just got done with Pumpkin LumiNights at Dollywood. Now we are going to head to
Mysterious Mansion.
Mysterious Mansion for their October Halloween. Get up. A couple more bucks. I think it's $18. It's normally $16. Yeah. But 18, that is not bad for a haunted house. And this is it's going to be good. I'm sure we can't record inside. I'll try to record outside a little bit so you can see what it looks like on the outside. Best we can. But we'll give you a little review afterwards. I'm sure it is nice. But we're gonna head over there. Smell hamburgers. Is that it?
It's worth it. It's worth it. Yeah.
Land moving. Land's moving swiftly.
So thank you guys for wearing the mask in. Once you guys get inside, the only thing I do ask is please make sure that you guys keep them on at all times, making sure that both your nostrils and your mouth are covered.
Yes, sir.
As soon as we got a little bit of space up there, we'll get you guys on.
No problem,
You
man.
guys just a group of two, correct?
Yes, sir.
Thank you guys.
Are you hitting me?
What do you think?
It was awesome.
That was
Very
amazing.
awesome, you guys.
And that was so good.
Yes, very worth it.
So good. Well, you guys, we're gonna head back to NC.
So much fun, but
Hope you guys enjoyed it as well.
late. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know we did.
Never forget.
Onward and upward.
Oh, yeah.
We got little Jots.
Yeah.
Check it.
She got a pin
This was
set,
$4. You get two.
2 pins, and this
Mysterious Mansion. Hold
Uh,
on, let me show this. Mysterious Mansion. This is
was If You Dare.
If You Dare. All right.
And then I got the magnet.
I got the magnet. How much was the magnet?
$3 for $3, I do believe.
$3.
Yeah.
Oh, and it was not cash only.
Oh, yeah, it wasn't cash
You
only.
can use your card.
the
You
masks.
just were required to wear a mask, and if you didn't have one, you could buy one, and it was cash only. So yeah. That's all. Hope you guys have a good time. Later. Need some food. What do you want to eat?